Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Saturday, June 6, 2020. And behind us, we're going to be playing bon dance because it is that time of the year that we'd normally be having bon dance. So anyways, that's what that is in the background. And if you want to find out more what bon dance is, you can go to our PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel, and there is an explanation on there. 14-day mandatory quarantine is still in effect, and this applies to all visitors, residents returning to Hawaii, and people moving to Hawaii. You are not allowed to leave your residence or hotel room for 14 days. Food must be gotten through delivery services. We still don't know when this is going to end. Thank you to all of you who have canceled or rescheduled your trips during this time. We appreciate the aloha and understanding you show to Hawaii, and we cannot wait to welcome you all back once this is all over. Mahalo nui loa, which means thank you very much. There is some progress. They just announced that inter-island travel, which means travel between the Hawaiian Islands, will not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine starting June 16th. And that's some progress, right? Do your best, practice social distancing, which means 6 feet apart from others. Always wear a mask into any buildings, businesses, shopping areas, food places, drive-thrus, while on a bus, shuttle, or taxi. When going to a bank, bring your mask, but at some point you will need to show your face to the bank teller. It depends on the bank itself. You may not be able to wear the mask into the bank, or some will let you wear it into the bank. I would just follow what everybody else is doing, and if you're not sure, ask a bank employee or the security guard. Wash your hands for 20 seconds and try not to touch your eyes, nose, and mouth when you're not at home. Not all stores and businesses have reopened, even though they have been given the okay to reopen. They're just not ready. Places that have reopened are our driver's licensing, Satellite City Hall, open markets, Cocoa Head Shooting Complex, archery ranges, city skate parks, malls, shopping centers, many retail stores, salons, nail shops, tattoo shops, dog parks, car washes, swimming pools for lap swimming only, Wet and Wild Water Park, the Honolulu Zoo, Waimea Valley, and the 5 botanical gardens here on Oahu. I'm not sure about the neighbor islands. Hanamo Bay will not be opening until June 30th. Polynesian Culture Center, Sea Life Park, and Diamond Head State Monument has not said when they're going to reopen yet. Bars, movie theater, gyms, or fitness places are being allowed to open on June 19th. Apparently, parks have reopened for picnicking, hanging out at. I believe you still cannot use the exercise equipment or the playgrounds yet, but you can hang out there as a family. You just can't be in groups of more than 10 people. And of course you can do all the exercise things. And same with the beach. Except for the beach, you can pretty much do everything like you did before. Lounging around, sitting, sunbathing, exercising, going surfing, swimming, and picnicking, with the exception of, with everything it's going to be social distancing and no larger gatherings in groups of 10. Restaurants are now available for dining in. Not all restaurants still are ready for this. The ones that are have already opened up their dining area. I believe there's going to be adjustments to their seating arrangements, and maybe you won't have as many tables close together. They'll have to be further apart from each other. The procedures that they are going to go through in servicing you and wearing a mask kind of thing and whatnot. I'm not sure what they all are, but yeah, I believe the health inspectors are going to be inspecting places and warning places if they are not up to standard. But I believe this is just a learning process for all the restaurants at this point, because everybody's trying to adhere to the new safety and health rules. For this weekend, I have not seen any information about Mele in Hawaii, which is usually on Saturdays at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. But for June 6th, I didn't see anything posted for them. So But if you want, you can go to hakuhawaii.com and check it out, and they might have some updated information that you can check out. Plus, they have a lot of other interesting things on their website that you could take a look at and shop around if you want to buy some music or support some of the businesses that they have on their website. hakuhawaii.com, and that link will be down below. We have a Hawaiian YouTube music playlist that we put together. I have that link down below, and it's, you know, just for you if you want to listen to Hawaiian music, or you can make a playlist off of the playlist that we made. And always make sure to use the shuffle option so that you can hear the music in a different order, so you're not hearing the same music in the same order all over again. Support lonomusic.com. Molokai music artist Lono has been awesome, and he let us use his music in some of our videos, and we really appreciate you, Lono. Thank you. Check out lonomusic.com. The link will be down below. You can check out his stuff or listen to some of his music, and maybe buy an album if you enjoy it. lonomusic.com. The link will be down below. If you like walking videos with commentary, please check out City Walks on YouTube. He's a friend of ours. He goes around all over the world and the mainland USA, and he's so knowledgeable about the places that he's walking around, and he gives you information about it. I enjoy watching his videos when I get a chance to. City Walks link will be down below. You can check him out, show him your support, and subscribe to him also. If you want to see what our family does on trips, or you like Bon Dance, please go to our PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel. That link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Also, if you want to help us out a little bit more, check out our Patreon page, and that link will be down below. Mahalo nui loa, everybody, which we already said is thank you very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha.